Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video we will see how I plan my studies using Evernote and also how you can use it to make good notes in a very short time. So let's start with the video. So first, you have to glance through the news article to understand whether it is useful for our exam purpose or not. Then open the Evernote software and write down the following subheadings. What is the news? Why the news? Consequences of the news, effect of the external factors. Then you can copy paste the news article in the subheadings which you have written earlier. By writing the subheadings, it helps you in dividing the news so that you can easily read it and revise it for your exam. You can also add an image so that you can remember the article much better. Then you have to bold the important parts by pressing Ctrl B. After that, you need to condense the information. You have to remove the unwanted information so you can just delete them. You can highlight the examples by coding them with blue color. You can highlight the most important info with the red color. And after you have finished all this, your article is ready. So if you have appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up as it motivates me in creating such videos. You can also share your views, queries, etc. in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel to get regular videos. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, keep hustling.